Hey guys, I'm Kevin from NativeCode. Let's see how to manage translations in vCard SaaS GoBiz. Hey everyone, welcome to the GoBiz Admin dashboard. Today, let's take a look at how the Translations tab works. First, click on Translations in the sidebar. Then click on Add to add a new language. You need to name the locale. To find the locale of your language, visit the URL shown above. There you can get the locale code for your language. Now, scroll down and take Esperanto as an example. You will see EO as its locale code. Simply paste both the name and the locale code here and click Save. Now you can see that the language Esperanto has been saved. Next, let's see how to add words. If you need to add new words for any language, go to the Translations tab, click on EN, which represents English, and then click on the Add button at the top. In the Group tab, which is optional, you can type a word if you want to. Then, in the Key and Value fields, type the word you want to translate. For example, I will type vCard Builder. After that, click Save. Now let's see how to add translations for this word. For example, go to Esperanto and select it by choosing EO. In the search bar, type the word, for example, vCard Builder. Then add the translated word in Esperanto here. For editing, you can also do it in the same tab. Once you save it, this translated word will work on your website. This is how you add and edit words for translations in the vCard SaaS GoBiz.